Okay, there. She's got a little bit of Shrek arms going on right there, which is kind of funny. Um, Hello, Rego Casacola. Rego Casacola. I hope I said that right. And Jesus is King. Jesus. Hello, Jesus. Jesus is with us today. Okay, so I'm gonna try this direction here and see how it looks. How are you all doing today? I'm finding I don't know what you guys listen to or what you want to chit chat about. I've been listening to some things related to some stuff going on, and it is gruesome. It's very gruesome what is happening right now. um, so it's being played on YouTube, and they're talking about some fraud things taking place. A lot of fraud. I even suspect, based on what they've said, that our most recent Supreme Court justice could have been wrongfully nominated since the president was not in his right mind. And that's what they're saying, that the president was not in his right mind when she was nominated, and that his staff was just doing things and they just took over. Okay, here. Okay, so what I want to do right here now is I'm going to use my marker because I'm trying to kind of make the dress look a little bit metallic with some little breaks in between, breaks of light. That's what I'm trying to do. I don't know if I will achieve it or not. All I can do is try. We're just trying to give it that little metallic look. I'm probably going to be adding more pencil in here as we progress. We should do the hair though too. We need to. Okay, let's do the hair. We'll just go around like this. Okay,